Hi, today I'm going to be showing you this pull tab pyrotechnic device that I built. It's very simple to do. You make the actual pull tab out of a zip tie and then trim it off. The striker is actually a matchbook cover that you strike matches on. There's a fuse in the center, and I've got 4 wooden matches super glued around the fuse, and then for added security I've wrapped red electrical tape around the match striker. I've looped the zip tie through the match striker, so let's try it out. Very cool, works perfectly, and if you decide to make this for fireworks or any kind of survival situation, it's a great way to carry something with you to light your fuses or your fires. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.